Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpaper and icon. As you can see, we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, so let's tap on wallpaper and style. Again, we've got the preview, and before we'll change the wallpaper, just a quick disclaimer about the wallpaper colors and basic colors. Basically, this is the section where you can change the colors which are applied to the system, and here you've got the option to take those colors from the wallpaper, which means that your system will have similar colors as a wallpaper, so it will create a really nice composition. Alright, so let's move into changing the wallpaper. Let's tap on this option, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of available albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. At the top we've got our own photos, of course, and here some other options which are pre-installed. So let me choose something from maybe this section, maybe this one. Just tap on the wallpaper to check the preview of it, and as you can see, you can check how it will look like on the home screen and the lock screen. You can also change the position of the wallpaper, so you can position it just like you want to, of course. And if you're happy with the results, just tap on this tick icon in the right lower corner. Let's tap. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.